guys! Kamusta weekend nyo? Spill the tea!
Grabe, I was so dead last Sunday. Nagpuyat ako playing Valorant. Tapos rank pa. My teammates were so mid. Parang wala akong kasama.
Hala Justin, lumabas ka naman minsan at tumingin sa sariwang hangin. Ako naman, lumabas kasama ang mga pinsang ko. Nag-brunch kami sa isang bagong kape, ang aesthetic talaga. Grabe ang vibe, sobrang ganda.
Sounds fun, bro. Ako chillin sa bahay, binge watching, K-drama. Pero low-key na FOMO sa mga post nyo.
Same! I was supposed to go pero tinamad na ako. I ended up doom scrolling TikTok the whole day and my screen time was so insane.
Same, parang 1 minuto lang akong nag-scroll. Tapos boom, 2 oras na pala yung lumipas.
See, at least ako productive kahit papano. Gaming is life, you know.
Productive yun. Bro, get a grip. Pero honestly, minsan gusto ko rin maging night owl. Like you.
Wag na. Trust me, the eye bags are not worth it. Anyway, what's the vibe this weekend? May plans ba tayo?
Tara, labas tayo. Night out ba or chill hangout lang?
Down ako basta hindi early morning. I don't do morning, guys.
Same. Pero wag naman. Super late. Hindi rin ako nocturnal. Like Justin.
Okay, let's plan later. Basta no ghosting ha.
Oo nga, wala nang fade out. Totohanan na namin to.
True. Let's bounce.